Veritas card scraper sharpener and variable angle burnisher. Kit comes with the file, which is a Bacho. Comes with the file holder, which has two reference faces on it. One at 90 degrees to the file, one at 30-60 degrees to the file. The 90 degree one is used for truing the surface of the card scraper before sharpening. So to sharpen a card scraper, you need to make sure that the entire surface of the edge is flat and even from side to side. So this surface here has to be flat. Doing that with the file creates a teeny bit of a burr, which you can just quickly remove by going a couple strokes flat against the file face. Now there's no burr. Veritas variable burnisher. Variable burnisher. Easy to use. Loosen the screw. Set the angle of the burnish that you want with that little mark on the thing. Tighten down the thumb screw. Hold the burnisher. Now it only burnishes the edge of the card that's facing the gauge. So drop your card in. It's going to sharpen this edge here, not that edge, only that edge. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's not a lot of pressure needed. Well, you can clamp your card into a vise or some other clamping apparatus and move the burnisher. There's no need because there aren't that great of forces involved. Once the card has been through the burnisher that few times, we can now put a little curve on it, bend it over, and you can see, let's just clean the dust off the bench first. Okay. You can see that I'm getting little shavings all the way along the width of the card where it's bent. If I bend the card more, I'm going to get more aggressive shavings in a smaller area on the card. But those are shavings, not sawdust. So if you want to do the other edge, so we've done that edge, turn the card over, drop it in, maybe 5 times. Now that edge, you can feel a little burnish on it. And there you go, shavings. If you want a more aggressive burnish, you can clamp it in a vise and press harder. But you have to be careful. If you press too hard, then instead of getting a burr that hangs over, like that at 15 degrees, you wind up pushing it out like that, and then it's not going to be sharp. So it's a balance between too much and not enough. You need enough pressure to roll that edge over to create that wedge-like or plane-like burr, but not so much that you curl it around like a curlicue. Veritas variable burnisher.